unboxing A-93 G-Revolution Beyblade BeyStadium Attack Type Tornado by Takara.
So without further ado, let's unbox this guy. Here's the back here, just to show you the box. Look at that packaging. Here's the backing here, the fence, cardboard fence, shows BBA, pretty cool. Takara 2003, interesting. Here's the instructions. Interesting. On the back. So, this is pretty much the stadium here, and in 2003 they came out with the Tornado Ridge, it looks like. Usually before, I didn't really bother with Takara Tomy because the original ones, they were just flat. They would go straight out the tops. So that's why tack types you had to be kind of careful with. Tack types really didn't get good until they started adding the ridges here. But they did add the ridge right here in the V-Force era. Let's do a little test battle for you guys. So here we go. Test battle. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and we are back. So, the other thing I want to address too is what you can do with the stadium too. Is this also a reason why I bought this? Is you can have this right underneath the magnetic stadium. So you can have all the magnets underneath and have a tornado ridge on top of that. That's one thing, the magnetic stadium, when it came out in V-Force, it did not have the tornado ridge right here. It had it right here, the outside. But the inside one just makes it 100 times better for attack types. So that's one else reason why you would buy this stadium. Now, I have not found any other color besides green. If anyone else knows one or knows where to buy one, comment below. But this is the one I can find. I'll leave a link in the description where I bought the stadium too. So before I end the video, let's do one last battle with magnetic Beyblades. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Did that guy move? And KO'd Vortex. Voltec 8. Lost a bit chip. That's no problem. And there we go, guys. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing of the A-93 Beyblade BeyStadium Attack Type Tornado in the G-Revolution era. Now before I also end this, I want to show you guys, I've been using this launcher for the plastics. It's a burst launcher. And I just fitted it with the prongs of the plastics. Now I did one for the old generation, fitted it with the burst one. Now it gets pretty close to the long winder, but the long winder's faster. So I really don't see a reason of doing this, unless you like the grips of the plastics. But another downside too is it worth breaking your long ripcord from the plastics? For me, it's not. these guys tend to be brittle at times if you're too rough with them. Especially with that little tiny piece right here, it just snaps off. Yeah, right there. That's why I rather just use these guys. They're much faster and durable, the burst. So there you go, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section of what do you guys think of this stadium. For me, I love it because it can work with the magnetic stadium, and it has a tornado ridge for plastics. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So this is Blader Zio signing out, and I'll see you guys next time.